Heyo, it's me, Harper Savage, and it's day 4 of 12 Days of Arts and Coffees. That's where I do an art or craft while drinking some interesting coffees. So you know what that means. It's time to pick another mystery coffee flavor. And the flavor is vanilla chocolate swirls. Ooh. I'm gonna go make my coffee and pick out today's gift to unwrap. Alright, here it is. Let's give it a try. I can taste the swirl. I feel like it's more like marshmallowy though. Oh, here's today's gift. It's almost too big for the camera and it's making the camera kind of freak out a little bit. Let's open it. Where's the in? Not taped it too good. I couldn't see it. What is this? What the heck is this? Cocoa Bomb Slime, 3 travel mugs. Just add water. 6 hot cocoa mix-ins. So this is not something I should be eating, right? It's slime. I shouldn't be eating it, right? Okay, I guess we're gonna do this now. Was this the one you wanted me to skip?
I say yes, we
Think it's doable, maybe. Okay, I think that was everything that was in the box. I don't know what this is. We got some stickers. Okay. Unwrap 3 cocoa bomb balls and place one in the bottom of each mug. Add room temperature water to each mug, then stir thoroughly with mixing straw for 1 minute. Hit sit, stir again, repeat. These feel like erasers? Like, what? It looks like we got some candy canes, marshmallows, sprinkles, chocolate chips, gingerbread men, and glitter. Or they're calling it cinnamon glitter. Alright, we need some water. Okay, so if you don't know this, I hate touching sticky things. It's like a sensory problem I have, so wondering why not got me this kit. I could have switched it out, but I'm gonna go forward with it because I think I can do it. I think I'm actually gonna decorate the cups first though. It says to do it last for some reason. But I think it'd be easier to decorate them when there's nothing in them, right? Santa Claus hot chocolate homemade. These fake gold snowflakes will look amazing. Honestly, if the slime doesn't work out, I still might keep these mugs and decorate them or something with not stickers in a different video. I think we should have the sticker on both sides. Is there anything else I want to add? Just snowflakes, I guess. Trying to make them seem a bit more random and not like formulaic. Alright, so I went with a snowflake theme for this one. I like these little cartoon characters. We'll do it on the white one. Make this one a red and white themed like candy cane. I was hoping I could cross them, but they're not facing opposite ways. Rude. I don't know if the white stars really go on the white cup good. I didn't really think that through. Alright, so I went with a red and white theme for this one, like peppermint or candy canes. And for this one, I tried to go with a gingerbread theme. Okay, so I think I want this one. How do I unwrap it? What do you mean? Oh, there's a zipper. And then it's still wrapped. Okay, I might need something else here. Something more pokey. Oh my gosh. Open. I was kind of shocked that it didn't have a smell. Okay, I want this one and the gingerbread one. This one and the candy cane one. Like, why even give us a zipper if there's still another layer we have to undo? And I can't even get the zipper started here. And this one and the snowflake one. So step 1 is to add the bombs to the cup. And then add 50 milliliter room temperature water to each mug, which equals out to about 3 tablespoons. I don't have something that measures in milliliters. Oh, I have a tablespoon and some water here. I feel like 3 is a bit much, but I guess we'll find out. All right, and we'll see where we're at. With your mixing straw for 1 minute, let sit for 3. Uh-oh, was I supposed to be doing these one at a time? Too late now. Hopefully it doesn't matter if I cross-contaminate here. I can't believe these little rubbery things are mixing straws. Our bomb won't dissolve more. I don't know what we need for this to happen. I think it might need some time to, like, dissolve more, though. Come on, there's still a meatball in there. So about a half an hour later, after mixing, letting it sit, mixing, letting it sit forever, I think it's actually at a point where it's actual slime and not sticky and gross. So now we're on to step 2, which is adding your favorite mix-ins. So this stuff. Okay, we definitely got to put the peppermints in the peppermint cup. That just makes sense, right? Should I save some for the top? Who knows? What do we want for the gingerbread? Probably the chocolate chips. Or maybe the cinnamon, because, you know, gingerbread, cinnamon, same family, right? Gotta be careful, don't want glitter all over my desk for the rest of my life. Not again. We have marshmallows. We could put that in the snowflake one. Oh, we have actual gingerbreads. We should put them in the cinnamon gingerbread one. But first, marshmallows in the snowflake cup. Okay, gingerbreads in our gingerbread cup. This makes the most sense, right? Do we want chocolate in the experiment to make like a peppermint chocolate and put the rainbow sprinkles in the snowflake cup? That makes sense to me. I'm just mixing everything in as much as possible. I could have saved some for the whip part, but I decided not to. I actually had to get out this tool to help me mix. I don't know what it's called, but it comes in like a tweezer set. Because the bomb part wouldn't actually break up all the way, so I had to get some help with that. Oh god, I'm not touching this one. I'm not gonna be touching this one. Might be a little too stiff now. Okay, I'm just gonna mix it in a little and then we can add the whip, because I think the whip is part of the slime too. Feels like we're making little potions. Alright, I already know this one's my favorite. By the looks of it. It's like the unicorn hot chocolate, you know the one? Add the whipped cream with the inner piping. Alright, so we cut this tip, I'm guessing. That is a tiny little cut. Let me make it a bit bigger. Pull this bag on here. Okay, it's a sealed bag in case anybody's wondering. Now, to do the whip in a way that you guys can all see, it's gonna be tough, but this one's my least favorite right now, so we're gonna start with this one. Oh my god, this is not a big enough cut. We got that going for us. Oh no. I knew it. I knew that was gonna happen. I don't know what to do. I don't want to touch it. I'm trying to avoid touching it because I don't like it. Maybe we should cut this down a bit more. Maybe I should use the dollar store scissors. I know I was gonna have to hold that. Oh wait, is this what this other bag is for? I'll hold the piping tool in. We'll see, I guess. I'm gonna use it like that, whether it was supposed to be like this or not, because I cannot sit here and hold 3 ends at the same time. It's on me. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Get it off. Get it off. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We got paper towels. All right. There's like a lot of room in here. There's no way I'm gonna make it as tall as the cup, unfortunately. Try to spread it out evenly though. Oh god. This is so hard to do. My hands hurt. Oh my god. Why couldn't everything just come already mixed? I guess it wouldn't be much of a kit then if it did, though. Here they are, my ugly little hot chocolate slimes. I don't know if I just didn't, like, mix something right, but I feel like I don't have a whole lot going on. Okay, I know everybody wants me to touch it. Like, I understand. That's the point of slime. You're supposed to touch it. I might cry, though. I'm gonna glove up this hand, so I have one hand protected, okay? So I won't cry so much. Oh my god, I feel like I'm gonna cry really hard. Alright, ready? Move these out of the way. In we go. Ooh. Oh god, the top slime is really sticky. The icing. It's like not letting me let it go. Trying to get it like all out in once so I can mix it. But now I'm scared. Keeps taking my thumb off. This is what we got. How delicious. Hope you loved this as much as I did. Like, if I could just get it all out. Ugh. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. Oh, ew, 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 ew. Oh, I hate this. Oh my god, I hate this. Oh my god, I hate this. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm trying to get the whip part to mix in to the base, and it's just not happening. Because it's sticking to my glove more. And my fingers. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why? Why this happened? Okay. I hate this. Oh god, some of my marshmallow came out. Oh my god, it's all over my fingers. The whip is awful. Like, I can't tell what's glove and what's slime. Gee, now is not the time to mess with things when my hands are disgusting. I can't pay attention to you. Is this considered good slime? You tell me. I don't do slime. Ew, this is gross. How does anybody enjoy this? Ugh. Stop. Stop. I think I'm done with this. Get it off me. Put that away. Let's clean up so I can stop torturing myself. So, I wanted to see if it was the glove that was making the whip stick so hard, and it wasn't. And I'm fighting the urge to rip my hands off. I'm never gonna be the same. So my coffee's all gone. That must mean this nightmare is over. So the coffee, honestly, I couldn't finish it because I was the type of disgusted after touching that where I like lost my appetite for drinking. Is there a word for that? So I did dump it out. It was cold because of how long this project actually did take. So I don't feel that bad. It was mostly gone. It was like a couple, maybe like 3 more gulps of coffee left. So it's not a big deal. But I'm gonna rate the coffee itself because it was good. A 4 out of 5. Now the project, I thought I could at least rate it a 1 because I thought I was gonna be able to reuse these mugs for like something else. But I don't even want to try to clean these out. It's not even the slime base, it's the whip. It was so sticky and disgusting because for the slime base, although it took all night, I could make it the firmness I wanted, but with the whip, it came out of the bag like that and I couldn't modify it. But I'm gonna give this 0 cheat faces out of 5 because this was an awful experience. This is probably the one Nock was hoping I would skip or switch my gift out for, but I did it anyways. Be proud of me. I don't think I've ever rated anything like so low before. And I'm pretty hard on my projects. But that is gonna be it from me today. If you guys want to watch the previous 12 days of arts and coffees, you can tap the thumbnail here. If you want to catch up on anything you missed, you can tap the thumbnail here. Well, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to do all the cool YouTube-y things of commenting, liking, subscribing, and turning on that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!